What's up, guys? Hope you are good. It have been crazy trading SAUSD this period. Gold have just been fucking crazy. Just imagine gold for like 10,000 pips in a space of 2 days. Just 2 days, we had like 10,000 pips. Though I wouldn't say that is surprising because markets have been pushing up without a proper retracement. Regardless of this sell that we have on gold, gold is still general. We are still on bullish trend on gold. All right. So this sell that we just had is considered a retracement to me, right? So for the sake of this training, I'm going to I'm going to use 30 minutes time frame to explain our anticipation on gold for next week. Understand? This first February, right? So what are we going to be expecting? And this video is going to be as short as possible because I told you guys, when trading is supposed to be very simple. You don't have to make it complicated. So I'm just going to focus on the aspect of market structure for the sake of this training. All right. So now, what you are going to be doing, you're going to be identifying the areas of BOS and other zone mitigation. All right. So, all right. Um, we had this BOS at this point. Right? Had this BOS at this point, and after that, you know that this level, this is the lower low that is created, and we had a retracement of this zone. So there is also a BOS at this point. At the BOS at this point, and after this move, there is a push up, right? There is this reaction here that caused the BOS of this zone. You also have a BOS of this zone. BOS is simple market break of market structure, right? So, and we have two type of market structure. We have bullish market structure and we have bearish market structure. For this, we are looking at the space of market structure, the bearish market structure, where market is making lower lows, right? All right. So now, this BOS here is the most recent BOS that we had. And as you can see now, in my previous video, I explained the concept of zone mitigations. This is a fair value gap mitigation. As you can see, the market came back here. It mitigated this fair value gap, and it continued moving down, just like the same thing we had here. Had an incomplete pullback and mitigation here, and market continue moving back. Also right here. If you are picking this zone, this is the level that have, and this is where the market started reacting again. The market picked this zone again. All right. So now considering what we are seeing on charts, you understand that this break of this zone now is what have this level, and look at where the break of market structure happened, because this level was the low that we had before, but now this have turned to a low high. Why? Because of this reaction that just happened here. All right. So now our anticipation is that market is going to react at this new low high. So if market should react at this new low high, what we are going to be expecting is the market should just come here, pick this zone, just come here, react. Once it tap into here, then it's going to go down here, or what we are going to expect to is that, or what we are going to be expecting is the market is going to push from here. We're going to have from here a break above here, then a minor retracement to here, then continue up to this level. So these are the two major things that we'll be looking at from this point. So any reaction that's happened from here determines our decision. But also, I've been able to spot an incomplete pullback from here, right? I'm spotting from incomplete pullback from here, right? So I will be expecting the market might do this, might come here, right? If market push here, it will react from here, then it will push up. But for the sake of what is happening on the chart now, market is still bearish. The internal market structure is still bearish, so it is safe to say that you should be looking for more sales at this point, all right, until there is a proper break of market structure. You understand here? It is until market creates a proper change of character, which is market is going to shift from what, from this bearish trend to a bearish trend. And how can you confirm that? When markets come here, it break above, it come here, it tested it, and it continue. All right, so this is what we have, and this is what we'll be looking at on the charts. This is what we'll be looking at on the charts for next week. All right, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me across all social media. All right, so stay tuned and stay connected, and also make sure you're on my Telegram channel for signals and market updates. Stay tuned and stay connected, right?